Hi guys, my name is Sanjit, the Vice President. Rainwater is vital rivers that can be filtered and used the only things we do. Then starts to weigh it put up and umbrella. The water process follows Mamadu the server system and it's out for the city meeting don't type. So that's the big challenge.
Rainfall pattern over the year is important to determine whether rainwater harvesting system compatible or not. This system suitable for tropical climate with short dry seasons and wet tropical climate. As a general rule, rainfall should be over 300 mm per year. Kuala Lumpur is suitable to implement this system as the average rainfall is 2,366.2 mm per year.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Priyanka. I am second presenter. So, we can install the water cycle that we know from Invention. Result it also in our cities. So we can capture rainwater, catch it, collect it and reuse it in our cities. Concept we implement it is definitely based on the Dutch concept of a wonders and be smart with water.
The first component of a rainwater harvesting is the catchment area. There exist various types of harvesting structure systems. For example, the industrial buildings may install a system on top of the building, and for residential houses, usually it depends on their roofs. The slope of the roof affects how quickly water will run off. Less steep roof has a slower runoff, hence brings in more contamination, such as bird droppings, dirt, and small twigs. Whereas for steeper roof, there is a faster runoff, having lesser contamination.
Delivery system consists of gutter and downpipe. Their size are based on rainfall intensity and roof area. Gutter usually just below the roof and catches water falls from the roof. Could be made using galvanized iron or PVC material, while downpipe transport water from gutter to storage tank. PVC pipes are preferred. Then, the first spell of rain is flushed out using first flush device, as it carries high pollutants from the air and roof surface.
The storage tank contains a filtration system to filter out unwanted matters. It is layered with gravel, charcoal, and sand. There are two types of storage reservoir, which is small-scale storage and large-scale storage. The small-scale storage is common in developing countries, such as using plastic bowl, bucket, and old oil drums. For storing larger quantity of water, the system will usually require a tank above and below ground. For domestic system, volume are typically up to a maximum of 20 or 30 cubic meters. Surface tanks are common for roof collection that can be made of metal, wood, plastic, or fiberglass. The designation of subsurface tank must have walls that can resist the external water pressure when empty.
The filtration tank is used to collect water from a storage tank, which can be used for replenishing a well or aquifer. During rainy season, the excess rainwater is used to recharge rock well as well as groundwater. In this case, the water quality will improve in the dry well.
As we know, everything technology do have pros and cons. So here's the advantages of this rainwater harvesting, where the cost for buying city water supply can be saved. It provides water at the point of consumption and can reduce flooding and clogging of drains. While for disadvantages, it will be limited by the amount of rainfall and the size of the catchment area. Needs proper operation and regular maintenance, and rainwater quality may be affected by animal or bird droppings, dirt and organic matter.
Several rainwater harvesting systems have been implemented by the national government. For example, National Zoo that located in Ampang, Selangor, University Invention on Coastal in Batu Pahat, Johor, and lastly, Bukit Mas in Ampang.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Strategist. I am your third president. Every safe drop is put to use. from irrigating the linear save on the building itself to cooling the building down in summer. There's a lot of things where we use drinking water for, just from the tap that can easily be replaced by rainwater. Whether it's cooling, whether it's processed water and industry, but also flushing your toilet can easily be done with rainwater, and even washing your feet fresh soap to clean your clothes. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen.